having trouble signing in to your Gmail account. Whether you're seeing an incorrect password error, not receiving verification codes, or simply can't access your account, there are several ways to troubleshoot the problem. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix common Gmail login issues in 2026. First, make sure you're entering the correct Gmail address and password. Check for typing mistakes, incorrect capitalization, or an enabled caps lock key. Even a small typo can prevent you from signing in. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow Google's recovery steps. Verify your identity using your recovery email, phone number, or another available method to create a new password. A weak or unstable internet connection can interrupt the sign-in process. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile network, then refresh the page or try signing in again. If you're using Gmail in a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try signing in using an incognito window or a different browser. Browser extensions or corrupted cache files can sometimes cause login problems. If you're using the Gmail mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. You can also restart the app or reboot your device before trying again. If Google detects unusual sign-in activity, your account may require additional verification. Follow the security prompts carefully and confirm that you're the account owner before continuing. And that's how to fix Gmail login issues in 2026. Most login problems can be solved by checking your credentials, resetting your password, updating the app, or clearing your browser data. If you're still unable to sign in, Google's account recovery tool can help you regain access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.